Well guys, today we will see how to open Monzo Bank account online at your home. At first, open your Play Store or App Store according to your device and install the Monzo Bank account app in your device. And here, after opening this, you will find the create an account option at the bottom. By tapping over it, you have to enter your permanent email. Then click on continue. Here you will find the option of open email app, and by tapping over it you have to register your email with Monzo Bank server. Now we have to go to next and have to select which type of account we want to open with Monzo. It will be your personal, joint or business account. As in my case I want to go with personal account, click on continue. Then skip all this intro by tapping over next, 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 and now it's asking your full legal name and your date of birth. By entering all the details, click on next, then your UK postal code, next, your address, next. Now it's asking your mobile number. Keep remember, your mobile number that you are entering belong to your UK resident. If in case you are entering number belongs to another country, your form will be rejected. Then by entering, click on next. A verification code sent to your mobile number. By verifying your account, click on next. Now it's showing some kind of offer. Then click on no thanks and skip all these things. Now the main part, your privacy policies. If you want to interested to read all these privacy policies, I suggest you must have to read and FSCS information. By reading all, click on next, and you have to read all these things, click on next and accept their term and condition. Now we are only 4 steps away from creation of our account. Step number 1, click on next. Here it's asking you some extra information like are you British citizen, your employment status, industry you work in, and your job description. By entering all the detail, click on continue. And our second step, here it's asking our annual income and whether we have to predict in future what will the status of our annual income. Will it decrease? I just select no. Then our next step, our housing status, then our monthly contribution, then anyone rely on you financially. Then by tapping all these answers, click on next. In our third step is asking our some extra detail like the source from which we will receive our first payment in our Monzo recently created account. Now in next step, how much amount we will receive, then how to use Monzo account, for which purpose we want to use our Monzo account, and then how much money I will monthly receive, then whether I want to use my account for international purpose or not. By tapping entering all that detail, click on continue, and it's our final fourth step where we have to confirm our identity. For this we have to first upload our photo ID card where we can use multiple documents that are showing over the screen, but just we have to click on next, click on the photo, then go. And also we have to create a short video of ourselves to verify that I am legally created my account by myself. Then after recording all that thing, click on submit. In next step it's asking are you holding citizenship other than UK. According to your options you can choose and go with next step, and we have to confirm our declaration. After successfully applying all these steps of our application, since our application successfully submitted and within 48 hours your Monzo Bank account will be successfully opened. Even though you will receive your debit card details and other extra details to your postal code within 7 working days. I hope you will find this video informative. For more videos don't forget to subscribe our channel.